Alright guys, so we're cleaning up our deck today. We're trying to just really get rid of some mold growth that we've got from it being so humid from all the rain. So you can really see it up here. You can see where it's growing here on the ceiling. So what we're going to do is spray a water and bleach combination and restore how it looks. And we'll show you how it looks after we do it here in a minute. I want you to know that it's super important that you wear the right equipment to protect yourself, because there will be some strong fumes, and we're basically going to be using a strong bleach to water chlorine mixture. So you're going to want to get a mask that completely filters out fumes and cover yourself so the mixture does not get on your skin. So do this at your own risk and be very careful. But if you do, I think you'll be super happy with the results. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day because it got late and we had to hurry up and get it done. But I want to show you how everything looks after spraying everything with that bleach combination. You can see that all these spots are gone. And this is completely without scrubbing. All I did is literally spray the water and bleach combination on the ceiling and then clean it off with basically with a wet towel. So you can see it did an amazing job and restored our paint to basically look like we just painted it, which is awesome. The screened in porch looks really good now. Now when you do this, you're definitely going to want to have some really good spray bottles, and these are the exact ones I got off Amazon. I'll have the link down below, and I really recommend these because they spray really well, and they have this adjustable nozzle right here that works really well. These are literally, I'm not joking, probably the best spray bottles I've ever used. So it made spraying the entire surface of the screened in porch a good experience. Now, another important part of making this all go right and easy is you have to have powerful bleach, guys. So I use this liquid chlorine here that you typically put in pools, and you can see it's a lot stronger than regular bleach that you use when you wash your clothes. So basically my mixture was 250 milliliters of the pool bleach, and then the rest was filled with water. Now I do want to say do this at your own risk, guys, because this is a very strong combination. So what I did is I made sure that I was wearing a mask that filtered out fumes and covered myself up so the spray wouldn't get on my body. So you definitely want to cover yourself, and that's what it took for me to be able to spray this surface and basically have no scrubbing involved when cleaning this. You can probably go with a weaker water to bleach mixture or use regular bleach, but you may have to end up scrubbing quite a bit and do multiple attempts to get the paint to actually turn the color you're looking for. It literally looks like we painted the screen porch today. Okay, so to provide an overview, number 1, ensure your paint tolerates getting wet. Certain types of paint sheens, such as flat paint, are typically not made for getting wet and can get ruined by liquids. Number 2, wear protective gear and cover your items. This process involves using strong chemicals, so ensure you are protecting everything, including your eyes, skin, lungs, etc. Also, protect any nearby items that could be damaged from the fumes or the actual liquid itself. Number 3, test your chlorine mixture on a small area. With this being a strong bleach mixture, ensure the surfaces the chemicals will be used on will produce the desired results, especially if your paint is not white. You need to ensure the paint will not change to an undesired color. You may want to consider using a weaker mixture than what I used if your paint is not white. Number 4, spray on the surface and let it sit there until it reaches the desired result. Just as an FYI, it can take up to 10 minutes or so for the paint to achieve the desired result. Number 5, clean off with a wet towel. Once you have achieved the desired results, wipe the surface with a wet towel to remove or at least dilute the chemicals. Number 6. Consider drying your surface with some dry towels to help remove the chemicals. This is also good to do if your surface doesn't tolerate liquids that well. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below with any questions you have. Please make sure you subscribe and have a great day. Peace.